everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Rusi News Network. As you can see, because of the corona crisis, we have had to suffer a few cuts. Quite frankly, I got a notice from the panchayat saying my hair had grown too long and my nose was no longer seen, so I had to go for a haircut. I used the buzzer myself and I have cleaned it up, so now my nose is big enough for the panchayat to see from all the way across in Dungarwadi, and they are very happy with me now, so the show will continue as usual. Today we have a complete no-nonsense show. The most important thing, we will look at the where, who, how of the antibody for everybody and anybody once and for all from a very, very spiritual perspective. I don't want to waste any more time, and immediately I want to bring in our most famous person, the Swamiji himself, to come and tell us about what the current situation with the corona crisis is. Let us not wait any further and jump right into this.
So today he is become in charge of the EC of the O. That does not mean that he is become in charge of the O. He is still in charge of the O. But he is not the who. Who is not the who. Who is the who is paying for the who. Before time, he is paying for the who. So he is the who. But now he is not happy with the who. So he is stop paying the who and he is not the who. She is paying for the who. So she is the who. Okay. So she is the who. So let me make it simple. He is not the who. He is not the who. He is only the EC of the who. And she is the who, but you cannot say she is the who. So he is the who. Okay. Now what do? We just want to know who did it. Right? We told who to tell us who did it. He is saying she did it. She is saying he did it. She is saying she told he, yes, she told he what to do, so he doesn't get it. But he is not listening to she, so he is getting more of it than she. So he is not happy. We is not happy because we got it and now we don't know what to do with it. So we are telling who, you tell us who did it. But who cannot tell us who did it because she is who. If she is who, then who cannot tell us she did it. You see, who cannot tell us she did it. Okay. Now we told who, you tell us who did it. He told who, you tell us who did it, or I will give you no more of it. But who cannot say it? She is telling who, you tell them who did it, but after we get rid of it. Now, that's not possible, right? We want to know now who did it. And he want to know now who did it. So she is telling who now, why you don't tell everybody who did it, but you tell them she didn't do it. Okay, you're with me, no? See, symbol. Who cannot tell who did it because she is who, right? He want to know who did it, we want to know who did it. So who is telling, wait a minute. You wait a minute, why we don't fix it? So who is telling, we make an antibody to fix it. So now everybody is working on an antibody. But it is anybody's guess as to when somebody will have an antibody for everybody. Nobody is betting that anybody will have the antibody for everybody anytime soon. Okay. But when somebody has an antibody for everybody, then everybody will not be worrying about anybody because they will have the antibody. But that's also not a problem. See, it's a big problem. Because once the antibodies come, then who will decide who gets the antibody? Will it be anybody? Will it be somebody? Or will it be nobody? Now see, if who gets the antibody, then who does not know what to do with the antibody, because who does not make the antibody. Now, he wants the antibody. He does not make the antibody. He wants to buy the antibody. He wants to buy all of the antibody. She wants the antibody because she wants to make the antibody and she wants to sell the antibody. But he does not like she. And so he will not let she make the antibody for he. But we have he in the who, and he will tell the who that we will make the antibody. But if we make the antibody, then he will want the antibody for free. Because he wants to tell everybody, look, antibody is for free. Free, free, free. He is freely telling everybody that his antibody is for free. And when he gives it for free, then she will have to worry about how he and she will deal with free. Right? You understand? You're getting me now? He and she will have to deal with the free. And we will say, stop this stupidity. What is all this free, free, free? But he will say, no, I want for free. So then he will go to he and she, and he will tell them, I will do it for free. And we will say, we. He is doing for free. And we will take everything that he is doing for free and say, we. He is so silly giving everything to everybody for free. But he is not so silly. See, he will go and tell he, and he that he will sell them his free and they will buy his free. Now, he and she will be very happy with he because he and she own a bit of he and he. So he and she are happy. He is happy because everything is free. We are happy because we are going we. And he is happy because he has a lot of money. And so now that everybody is happy, can somebody give me the antibody that we can give to everybody to make everybody very happy? And you can think about the me in you, and me can think about the me in you, and the you in me, and we can all stop thinking about what about me?
Thank you everybody for watching that. That's all we have today. I hope you have some incredible clarity on the whole corona issue, the antibodies, the anybody, the everybody, all the things, the why, the who, the what. We have given you all the clarity. I hope you have it all now. Thank you for watching again. Remember, we come on every morning at 5:45 a.m. on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, India Standard Time. But you can keep following us on YouTube. We are also on Instagram, on IGTV at QuackDoc. That is QWAKDOC. And on Facebook also under the same handle, and on Twitter under the same handle, where we have no followers at all. It's a brilliant thing. And watch us on YouTube at Aditya Daftari The Quack. It's a wonderful, exciting place to be. You must watch it and be there. Do share, like, distribute freely. Like COVID virus, you can send it everywhere. It is a red zone. We want it all now. Please do come to us. Please watch our show. We are begging you now. We are getting very desperate. We really need some followers. Salah, there are only like 40,000 Parsis left, and they are also stop watching because we are not doing enough Parsi content. It's heartbreaking, gut-wrenching.